Hello, this is Dr. Shannon Herr, and today I'm going to answer the question, can I be too old for a chiropractic adjustment? There is no age where an adjustment cannot be performed. From babies to senior citizens, most people can benefit from chiropractic adjustments. Thanks for checking out my video. For more information about chiropractic care and how it can help you, please visit chiropractorinbuffalo.com, or if you have any specific questions, please feel free to give me a call at 716-204-8955. Again, this is Dr. Shannon Herr from Neck and Back Pain Relief Chiropractic, because you don't have time to be in pain.